Hi everyone. You know how I made a video of how the movie Volcano should become a television series? Well, I believe this movie really needs a sequel. Well, yeah, it really needs a sequel. I think it's a really great idea and that it should happen. From action and adventure to help mankind survive a forming volcano. A volcano that formed in this in the La Brea tar pits, and they should find a way to stop it, to stop the lava before it gets even worse, before things get even worse. This movie is a real classic, and I believe it really needs a sequel. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, TikTok, Fandango, Screen Rant, comic book resources, and video chat with people about it. Bye for now. Until next time, I think of another movie that really needs a sequel. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media and share via messaging and email too. And don't forget to check out my playlists. Also, it, you need to add this to your needs to happen list.